Welcome back to JB Solutions. Yes, today's episode we are making a review on our T500 Smartwatch. Yes, this is the box. This is Series 5 replica of the iWatch. This is it shows that this is a black smartwatch that is inside. So this is the unboxing. This is it. It comes with a smartwatch at the middle, the strap by the side. This is the strap. It's a silicone strap. This is it. Sorry, this is dirty. This is how it came from the manufacturer. And this is a watch. This is exactly like the Series 5 smartwatch. I think we are removing this. This is the sensor area where you check your BP. This is the charging area, and what is written at the back is Series 5 44mm aluminum and ceramic case, ECG heart rate Bluetooth watch, and this is the charging port. Yes. This is how it comes. It has a button here. This is the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece is this very dot here, and this button here, there is no button here. This is stiff, it's not working. And the other side, there are two spaces here. This is an open space where it speaks out. This is the speaker area. And this is it. This is how it is. Yes, when we open it, we find the charger and the manual inside. Yes, this is the charger. It's a magnetic charger, so we can actually charge through it this way. Sorry, I want to test the charger. The charger is plugged now, so you have to clip it to this very two place. So once it is clipped, it will start charging. Maybe we should just leave it for some seconds. Okay, this is it. That started charging already. So this is how it's charged. And the last thing inside the box is the manual. The manual comes both in English and in Chinese language. This is it. So this is a QR code where you can scan, and once it is scanned, it will take you to where you download the application. So this is the manual. The manual is in English here, while the manual is in Chinese here. So let's go into the watch and see what it entails. So I think I'm packing this. So this is the watch. We are switching it on now by pressing this very button here, the one button that is there. When you switch it on, it requests for languages to choose. So we are choosing the English language, which is this. When you switch it on, it will bring out this butterfly face, and you can change the watch face by just tapping on it this way. You tap from right to left, you tap from right to left, you tap for different watch faces. You tap for different watch faces, and if you want to, I'll just go on Hibernate. You just click on this very menu button. So the next thing we do now is just a click here to check the menu. This is exactly like the Series 5 iWatch. This is it. The menu is just as the same as that. So we can actually go back and look for another view by going into the settings. From the settings, you go into display settings. From display, you can just click on style, then it will be style 2. So when you click on style 2, it will show this very menu. So for we to now check the applications inside, this is it. Let's check on the application inside. The first application we are seeing inside is this dialer. If you click on it, it will show you that you will be able to call out from this very smartwatch, and you can receive call through this very smartwatch. Yes, you can call through it and you can receive calls. It is not connected, so it will not call for now. So on our next video, we'll be showing you on how to connect it to the smartwatch, how to use it with your smartwatch. So this is just a review on this very T500 Smartwatch. So you go back, click on it again. This is a phone book. This very phone book will synchronize everything inside your phone, and it will bring everything here. Synchronize with phone. It is not connected, so there is no way it could synchronize. So let's just go back and click on it again. This is call log. You have to check your incoming calls, missed calls, and call. So the next thing is this messages. This is where your notifications comes in. All notifications, these are where it comes in. So the next page is your motion record. If you are working, it will start reading it from here. This is it. Motion record. There is pedometer, training stand, and settings. So anything you set on your smartphone when it is connected, it will be attached here, and it will synchronize here and start showing. So the next thing is heart rate. You can check your heart rate with this. When you put it this way, for checking heart rate, just click on it. So it is written, please keep still. So to check our heart rate, this is our BP heart rate, sorry. That's it, 71. So when you click on it, it will show this very green light here. Once it is blinking, that means it is working. So the next thing is blood pressure. So for you to check our blood pressure, you just have to click on this and put it on your body still, and it will bring it out the next seconds. This is it. So this is how this works for the BP checking and the heart rate. This is your physical training exercise. Like you want to run, you can just click on it. It will start, and as it is calculating your walking step, it calculates your calories that you've used to. So you can just check on another one. This is rope skipping. There are different options of sports trainings here. This is abdominal curl. This is when you are doing training for your belly. This is a table tennis, basketball, badminton, climb, cycling, tennis, walk. This is walk. This is volleyball. So you can just click on it and it will start reading. So the next thing is you go this way, reminder, tap to start, tap to stop. This is a reminder, so we don't need any reminder now. The next is BT connection. If you want to connect to your smartphone, this is the very place you click on. It will start searching for the smartphone and it will connect to it automatically. And this very button here is this very menu here is button here is a sleep monitoring. It monitors your sleep from here. And this is a beauty music. If it is connected to your music, and if it is connected to your smartwatch, to your smartphone, sorry, you will be able to play all the musics in your phone on your smartwatch. So the next is remote notification. Remote notification works for notifications too, so you will receive all your notification through this very place too. This is the calendar. You can check your calendar here. You can set calendar, everything. This is it. So go back by going this way. This is the settings. The settings shows Bluetooth settings. If you click on it, it will bring out for you to either switch on your Bluetooth or to switch it off, and to make the visibility on or off. So at the moment you're not using it, so it is on off. The LED raise LCD on, that is, if your smartwatch is if it is on now, if you put it on, it is on now. If I put it this way and bring it back up, if the let's just do it this way. This is how it is now. So if I bring it up now, it will show once it sees light, it will show that it will bring out light, so you'll be able to watch your time or check any other thing. So that's the function of this one. So the next option now is, so we have to just keep this one close. We don't need it for now. The next option is your clock. You can set your watch here. You can set it from this very place. It is on now, time synchronize. If it is connected to your phone, it will synchronize your phone time and set the watch. So if it is off, you'll be able to set everything yourself. This is it. If it is off, you can set it yourself as it is now, with the time and the time format, either on 12 hours or 24 hours. So as at now, we are keeping this on, so we don't need it for now. So the sound too, you can just change the sound. Either you want it to ring only, vibrate and ring, or vibrate then ring, and you can keep it mute from here. So if you don't want it to ring, you can just keep it mute. So you can choose on different tones to use. I think the watch is very low, that is why it is not speaking up well, but we will increase the volume. Notification, you can change the notification for the watch too. The notification messages, these are the notification messages. You can just change it as you like. So the next option for it here is the volume. You can keep it on. You can increase the volume from here. That is a multimedia volume, that is a music volume. You can keep it loud. Ringing volume, you can keep this to loud. So let's just click on this, click on OK. It is. Then the notification too, we keep it, keep this too. Sorry, my hand is pressing it, it's just too big. Sorry. My hand is too big. Okay, this is it now. So you can just click on this. Everything is loud now. So the next option is display. If you want it to display in the iWatch type, click on this. It will bring it this way. And if you want it show in the normal four corners style, just click on this. So this is it. So the next thing is this. Sorry. Click on this. The brightness. If you want to increase the brightness, you can increase the brightness from here. There is screen timeout. we left this on 10 seconds because 10 seconds is okay for us. You can increase it to 15, 30 or 60 seconds, and you can even reduce it to 5 seconds as you like. So that is all for this display. The next is international. International now, if you leave it on auto synchronize on, you won't be able to change the language. But if you remove it from this now, put it off, you'll be able to change this language to any other languages you feel like choosing. And the display name is either you want it displaying in the first name and the last name, or the last name and the first name. So this is it. So this is it, and you can reset your watch from here. If your watch is manufacturing, you can actually reset it from here. So, and this is the about, where you will get the device name, which is a T500, the device address, and some other things. Yes. So the next option is sound recording. You can actually record from here with this very smartwatch. This smartwatch will record for you, and once it is recording, you can actually use this for a spy purpose. When someone is you are actually talking with someone, or you just want to collect some voice recorded message down, so this can do it for you. So there is no space in it. If it is connected to the phone, it will get enough enough space for it to be able to save more data in it. So this is out. This is the application download area. This is where you scan the application for it to download on your smartphone, so you'll be able to connect this to your smartphone. So the next is alarm. You can set alarm from here, and it will actually wake you or give you the notifications once it is time. This is a stopwatch. You can actually time yourself with this stopwatch, and you click on start, it will start reading, and click on split, or you just go back this way. And this is a remote camera. You can use this very smartwatch to make to snap on your phone by clicking just this very is either Android, or when it is connected to Android, or when it is connected to your iOS phone. So when you click on it, you'll be able to snap on your phone through this smartwatch. So when you click on this find my device now, this find my device, if your phone is missing, it can actually look for it for you. So when you click on it and it is connected, it will make a ringtone on your phone. So this is the calculator. You can actually calculate with this. It works fine. The calculator works very well. So this is a Twitter notification area, the Twitter notification area, the Facebook notification area, get notification through this place, and the WhatsApp notification through this place. Yes, this is basically how this T500 smartwatch works. Yes, there are other type of smartwatches that if you turn this very place, it works. Those will be making a review on the smartwatch later. But for this is T500, and this is how it works. So our next video will be on how to connect this very smartwatch to the smartphone. Thank you for staying with me, and I hope you like this video. Please, if you do like this video, give us a thumb up button by giving us like, and you can actually subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Thank you and stay blessed.